kular hakanigasni. Mangantray hok yaki kamjong. Hado.
Kikubor Advocacy TV.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda be ke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta Pynïoh e ki kod bat ki e-materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kray api na kabanda ka neat.
Menteri kakot yakhya Sorkar Jylla ba wailan gi Shillong ang bak Sorkar Ïakhun tenge ban Pynïoh Ïakhun Institute of National Importance Kaneigrihms khanang ban panyar susu ye sakri jogani hospital hagalyang kakot yakhya uba Shillong ang hadin ka Jylla jingo yakani jaga sumar kabdon Shillong yathu bi ofsa Kaneigrihms klapan pawi jingye namar kampat iyo Ïakhun Institute of National Importance nak Sorkar Pdeng.
The last time when he visited here, he purely came because annually they used to have this consultative meeting with the parliamentary committee, health parliamentary committee. So they used to have these meetings 4 times a year, where once at least out of that 4 they want to do outside Delhi. Otherwise, usually it's happened in Delhi. So that is one of this recently meeting held here is a part of that. So they purely came for that consultative meeting. But nevertheless, we took the opportunity that to apprise them, especially that regarding the inauguration of the Shillong Medical College, which actually we want to take the opportunity to apprise them that because Shillong Medical College is a brownfield project. So there are a lot of things to be done, especially from next year onward, a new batch will start to come. So there are a lot of things you need to administrative block, hostels, and like laboratory and other things. Still many things to do. So that's why we want to take that opportunity where we can request the ministry that to help us, especially financially, where if we could get a financial support from them, so we can start the project for the construction of the administrative block and other things. So that was the major thing, and I'm happy that I got the opportunity to apprise him also during his visit. And then other thing which we really want to push is regarding the Kaneigrihms for the union government to take it as the Indian this INI status, which is very I think really important right now. Where last time also when we had during my inspection visit there, I met the director and other officers there. Then they also raised the same issue that because unless if we don't get this INI status, then it is very difficult for them to expand. Because we really want to see the infrastructures as Kaneigrihms. We want to use it at its fullest potential. But right now, because they have for any small thing they have to seek the permission from Delhi. So which is like really affecting them. So for this also we have I personally have requested the minister, the union minister, and even the committee. Also, I got the opportunity to sit with them, and they also have asked me that to bring the document, and I'll be going to Delhi soon, and then I have briefed this to Chief Minister as well that we need to really push for this.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.